this person that you're going with is not someone that you are in a committed relationship, I would suggest not brushing your teeth before, but after the fact, do it after. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about what I would bring in my overnight bag. The kids now call it the sneaky link bag, the thought bag, the dick appointment bag, whichever one you want to call it. I call it the overnight bag, and I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks. So let's get into it. Always bring your phone and your charger and your wallet, because if anything happens and you need to bowl out of there real quick, you're good. So this is a bag that I would carry, not too big, not too small, but it can fit whatever I need it to fit in. You don't want to bring a big bag because you don't want this person to think you're gonna come take up space or you're gonna come try to live. I'm comfortable, I'm confident, I'm in and I'm out. Okay, came for what I want, now I'm leaving. First thing I have in here are condoms, different sizes. Also, this is Magnum. This is the Island Punch. This one actually tastes good. And then these are Lifestyles. You can taste the rainbow, all different flavors. Next, you have some lube. If you're in need, then definitely. So if you wear a wig or anything like that, you're definitely gonna need a hair tie. So always pack a hair tie in your bag. The next thing, extra underwear. And these are always good. These are the Cheekies from Victoria's Secret. I always put like liquid items in a Ziploc bag, so definitely want to bring your deodorant. Forgot to pack wipes in here, but I will take my travel set of makeup remover wipes, because after you need to go to sleep and all of that. So for my face wash, I would definitely bring this one. This is a Clear and Clear. Definitely want to bring your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Can't go wrong with mouthwash, and definitely floss. I will say though, if this person that you're going with is not someone that you are in a committed relationship, I would suggest not brushing your teeth before, but after the fact, do it after. Because when you brush your teeth, especially if you're gonna do fellatio or anything like that, when you brush your teeth, it leaves microscopic small cuts in your gum, and it makes you more susceptible to catching an STD. So I would definitely say use mouthwash before you go, but no brushing your teeth. Gotcha. If that's your boo thing now, if you good, then you can definitely brush your teeth. I have some lotion and just a travel size of your signature scent. You can put it on you and you can sneak and throw some on his pillow. Lip balm, and this is the Bite Beauty lip balm, and I love this. This is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. You can use this to wash your face, bathe with, definitely take a shower with this. Where is my rag? I think I took my rag out. I also would definitely bring a rag because you don't know where their rag has been. Take some wipes, and these are the sweet cookie sheets. So if you want to fresh up after for round 2, round 3, or whatever, you can use this. And I also like to bring this. This is the feminine spray for sensitive cookies. This also kind of keeps you fresh down there, make things a little bit more moist. So you can substitute the lube for this, and this works, baby, if you need some help, because that thing, I don't, that thing be swishing. Oh my god. But if that, let's see if I'm missing anything. That is definitely what I would bring in a overnight bag. So comment what your overnight bag essentials are. I would definitely say I would sleep in his shirt or sleep in beige shirt, or I'll bring a nice little satin robe, or I'll sleep in underwear and a wife beater or a shirt, something like that. And if you, so what you wear is dependent on how comfortable you are, how long you've been together, and what type of guy he is. So there's a few different types of sleepwear I would suggest, but it all depends on how comfortable the type of guy and how long you've been with the person. You wear makeup, or you can bring your makeup, but normally I would not wear makeup when I'm leaving the next morning. I just wash my face, lip balm, out the door. I'll probably bring something to do my brows, but that's about it. So yeah, comment what your overnight bag essentials are and what are some of your pro tips. If you guys want to see like me preparing for a appointment with hubby, comment in the comment section, because I'll do a video like that for you guys and give you guys some of my tips and tricks. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Deuces.